time now for the IID Best Architect Commercial. These awards are by selection of architecture part done of commercial building, commercial tower and related projects completed or proposed during calendar year 2008-2009. The nominees for Best Architect Commercial category are Zubin Zainuddin ZZ Architects Mumbai, Krishna Chaitanya D from DK Architects Sikandrabad, Shivam Tripathi from Mumbai. I'll request Pallavi Virmani on stage to kindly give away the award. The third IID Best Architect Commercial Award goes to Shivam Tripathi, Urban Kriti at Shivam, Mumbai. He is 25 years young talented architect who believes that creativity is the mother of invention rather than necessity. He is working on his visionary thoughts, creating a completely new future for Mumbai and India, pulling down the heaven to earth, creating a multi-dimensional fusion of nature and urbanity and lifestyles. So that's what it means when we say Urbanakriti @Shivam. Coming now to the second IID Best Architect Commercial Award, it goes to Krishna Chaitanya D from DK Architects, Sikandrabad. The design methodology at DK Architects is to be the above and use designing abilities to produce distinct solution for the given design program, while digitally addressing and analyzing it to extract suitable options. They accept every project as a challenge to outshine the previous by creating a bit more and a bit unique every time. Their aim is to reach a perfection which is an output of harmonious blend between the form and the function. Congratulations to you. Coming now to the first IID Best Architect Commercial, the award goes to Zubin Zainuddin ZZ Architects Mumbai. Let's hear it for them, please. Well, they have been receiving a lot of awards tonight. Zubin Zainuddin ZZ Architects, the winners for the IID Best Architect Commercial. Can I request Prabjot on stage, please? Once again, I'll request Prabjot on stage. Well, it's time. We have a very young, a future architect right here in front of us. And I think he deserves this award, and we'll be handing him the award. That's right, Palvi? Okay, so you get an award at a very young age, dear. The time has already begun when a lot of expectations are coming your way. All the best for the same, and congratulations to the group, please. Thank you very much, Palvi.